So there is one big topic I would like to talk about. Is the one about the WordPress maintenance. Basically, most of the people think that once you have launched your website, everything is finished and the work is done, the project is closure, and we can move forward. Basically, it doesn't happen exactly like this. There is like a monthly maintenance to be taken care of. This daily maintenance involves taking care of the plugin, taking care of your team, and taking care of your WordPress. Basically, this is the three pillars of your WordPress website, and you need to have update. Why? Because these three elements, so WordPress, plugin, and theme, has been made by a team of developers. And these developers are constantly working each on other side to improve the performance of the products that you are using. So basically, they could work on security improvement, design improvement, performance, and so on and so on. So it's very important for you to keep your WordPress website up to date because if you don't do it, there is big chance that at a certain point you will be hacked. So for that, it's very easy basically to make your website up to date. You just have to go to plugin, install plugin, and you go and check the one that needs to be updated, like this one. Once done, you just click on update now here too. And if you want to do it quickly, you can just go to here. You select everything first, like that, go to update and just apply. But you can also do it for your team. Like for example, here I need to do it on my team, like Xstar, because there is a new version. So every team is a bit different to be updated, but basically you just have to follow that, or just import again your team on your WordPress website. It's pretty easy. There is a lot of tutorial about it, and then also here you will when you go to dashboard update, you would be able to check if yes or not your WordPress website is the last one. Actually, mine is it. You see, you have the latest version of WordPress, so it's fine. Otherwise, I will have like a message say um, a new version of website is available. Do you want to upload it now, and so on and so on. So, like I say, to resume, you need to have these three elements to be up to date, like theme, plugins, and WordPress. So now the question is why we ask developer to do it. Why there is this maintenance package? Most of the time, it's like yearly maintenance package uh, created by developer, webmaster, and so on for your WordPress website. Basically, what's happened is if the plugin, if you update your plugin and they are like very new with fresh new code, fresh new functionality, and so on, but your WordPress is still very like old, you can create some incompatibility between both of them, so they won't be able to communicate properly. And what will happen is you will see this some stuff that are on your website that is not working properly. Something is broken, you will see like a bit of code a bit everywhere. Yeah, it will be like a bit a mess. What could happen too is that your website will be completely broken. So sometime when you update, you need to be very careful of that because there is some incompatibility between the three elements, or WordPress, theme, and plugin. And the role of the developer, of a webmaster, is to be sure that this incompatibility is not created, especially if you do the update online. So what we used to do most of the time is we do a backup of your file, of your database, on your file, on all your WordPress website. We save it in our computer, and then we proceed little by little, carefully to each update. And this is how it works. So I hope this video will give you like a big overview about why it's important to update your WordPress website. And again, do it by yourself or with a professional, so you won't have like any lack of performance on your WordPress, or you won't be hacked.